This 43 plus kilometer under construction highway is part of National Highway 58E, connecting Rajasthan's Kundal and Jhadol. The hilly forested terrain is the biggest challenge ever faced by 8G Infra's road crew. Narrow, broken down, dirt roads don't even offer a pathway to bring equipment and set up construction spaces.
इनिशियली जब हम इस प्रोजेक्ट पर आए तो हमारे लिए मैक्सिमम चैलेंजेस आए। उसमें से मेन चैलेंज ये था कि जो हमारे अर्थवर्क के इक्विपमेंट्स थे उनको मोबिलाइज कैसे किया जाए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितना भी रास्ता था वो बहुत कंजेस्टेड था, बहुत गाँवों से होकर के निकल रहा था। वहाँ पे इतना भी रास्ता नहीं था कि हम हमारे एक्सकेवेटर को या प्लांट इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए हमारे बैचिंग प्लांट को या हमारे क्रशर को यहाँ पे ला सकें। फिर हमने धीरे धीरे एक वन बाय वन जो हिल थी उसको कट किया। वो पहले हमारा जो कैंप इस्टेब्लिशमेंट था उसको हमने कैंप को किया।
The crew is advancing 1 kilometer at a time. Today they are working on opening up a crucial pathway connecting two hills. People and animals have been evacuated in the 500-meter area. The team is ready. To create roads where none exist is no easy task.
बगैर ब्लास्टिंग के पॉसिबल नहीं था। तो जो ब्लास्टिंग हम करवाते हैं, एक तो साइलेंट ब्लास्टिंग, सेफ ब्लास्टिंग। जो हम ब्लास्टिंग करवाते हैं तब 1 किलोमीटर का एरिया हम खाली करवाते हैं। कंट्रोल ब्लास्टिंग होती है तो उसका 200 मीटर तक का होता है, पर हम सेफ के लिए 1 किलोमीटर मैन पावर वगैरह, एनिमल्स वगैरह सब साइड में करके पूरा रास्ता रोक के बोर्ड वगैरह लगा के न्यूज़पेपर में हम देते हैं भाई हम आज ब्लास्टिंग करेंगे, पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन करके उसके बाद में सेफ ब्लास्टिंग करते हैं।
50 meters from the topsoil, through hard rock is evacuated through blasting. There is enough space to deploy just about 4 to 5 excavators. Teams are working from both ends to speed things up. Here, the traditional process of road construction has been turned upside down.
उसमें स्ट्रक्चर्स पहले बनते हैं, हाईवे बाद में बनता है। यहाँ हमारे को हाईवे पहले बनाना पड़ा और स्ट्रक्चर बाद में बनाना, तो मेन हमारे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग जॉब रहा है।
Building structures takes double the time required to build the road. Technology helps speed up the process. Without automation, this road would be near impossible to complete in the deadline of 18 months. Computerized hot mix and batch mixing plants churn out incredible quantities of perfectly measured raw materials by the hour. Graders and hydraulic levelers accurately prepare the road bed. The road today is paved with sensor-controlled pavers for speed and accuracy. "245 machines and about 500 men work together to complete this pathway. Once structures come up, The national highway will be up and running, providing easy connectivity to Udaipur and surrounding cities. A miraculous sight for the tribal villagers living between Kundal and Jhadol. The road to development has reached their doorstep.
The most important thing about this road is that it is going to connect the tribal population. Almost 100% of the road is passing through tribal population, and they were having the problem of not properly connected with the mainstream, not only of the state but of the country. And after this road is constructed, not only the connectivity will improve, but my impression is and my understanding is that the tremendous amount of employment is going to be created for the local population, and that is the tribal population.
The ripple effect on the local economy will be enormous.
Entire Bharatmala plan covers economic importance, covers tourist places. So I think Rajasthan has been a place known for its tourism, and providing better connectivity to those places will not only attract more tourists, but it will also provide economic opportunities to the local people. So every tourist that comes to that place will bring in a lot of economic opportunity for them.